Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjali. Please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of my hair care products that help me change my hair game. So here are a bunch of hair care products. Also, all these products are available on Nykaa and I will be attaching all the links in the description box. So first, I'm going to start with some of my hair serums that helped in my hair care game a lot. So first in the serum, I have this serum by Minimalist, which is the Malic Bond Repair Complex. So this is basically a hair serum that you apply before taking bath. So you do not apply it on your scalp. You have to take the serum, and the serum consistency is like this. So you take the serum, take it in your hands and apply it like this, leave it for an hour and then shampoo your hair. And trust me, once you do the shampoo, you will see a significant change in your hair. My hair just turned really soft after using this serum. So next is the serum that changed my hair game a lot. So basically it's a hair growth serum. So it's by Wish Care. So this hair serum is a complete game changer, guys. So basically every night I apply this on my scalp, like I spray it and apply it. And can you see these little hair that are coming? So I had this little bald area and now I see hair coming, little hair. So this works magically and you can apply it every night before you sleep. It does not keeps your scalp oily and within 10-15 days you'll start seeing significant results. Also guys, with these serums you have to be a little bit patient, okay? Like it does not work magically, so it takes time, but in 10-15 days I guarantee you will see certain difference. So if you are facing any kind of you see little hair, if you have any problem with hair related, you can apply the serum and you can see new baby hair growing. Next I have the cult favorite serum, which is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. Well, you can use it before your wash, you can use after your wash, you can use on a daily basis, get rid of all the frizziness and everything. So it is so lightweight, it does not keep your hair oily at all. So basically how I use this serum is after I wash my hair, I probably blow dry it and use this serum, and literally the frizziness is gone. Even if I cannot wash my hair on a daily basis and I have to go out somewhere, I use this serum to tame down all the frizziness and my hair are like perfectly fine. Next is the shampoo category, and I myself have very dry and frizzy hair. So for this, one product has magically worked for me, which is this shampoo, which is from Love Beauty and Planet. It has argan oil and lavender in it, and it is a sulfate free shampoo. This shampoo will give you results instantly. So it's a very good shampoo if you have dry and frizzy hair like me. Basically I have stopped using conditioners, like literally stopped using conditioners. So what I use nowadays after my shampoo is a hair mask. So I have two hair masks that work magically. One is this by Dove, which is this 10-in-1 Shine Revive treatment hair mask. You leave this for like 7 minutes probably and your hair is back with a shine, and it's like it looks like you've just arrived from a salon and got a blow dry done. Like it trims the frizziness so much. The second hair mask is this one from Love Beauty and Planet again, which is the same range as the shampoo. So this is the argan oil and lavender. So basically if you use these two together, oh my god, your hair are gonna be like wow, just wow. But you can use the other Dove one also, but if you use these two together, there will be a significant result that will be magic. Your hair will be magic, literally. The dryness, frizziness, everything is gone. Your hair feel like so fresh. The next product is not something that you require maybe, but if you are into constant styling of hair, like you're straightening your hair, you're curling your hair, you're blow drying, I think this product is a must have, which is this BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. So basically you apply this on your hair, like you spray it and you do style, help you and your hair when you're hair styling, because this actually protects your hair from all the heat and damage. If you are styling your hair and you can do 10 times the damage, this cut down to it about 50%. I mean, your hair will be damaged, but they will be protected by the heat. Like the heat will not affect it that much. So this product has actually helped me because whenever I'm going out and styling my hair, I apply this. Styling remains for long first, and second, my hair is also protected. Love hairstyling, you should have this product. So that's it for today. I hope you liked all these products, and I hope you buy them and change your hair game a little bit much and try taking care of your hair. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.